Hello everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this video, I will show you how to change the content filter settings in the Qwant app on your Android mobile device. This simple adjustment helps you control what kind of search results you see. Let's get started step by step. First, open the Qwant app on your Android mobile. Tap the three lines icon located at the top right corner. Then, select Settings from the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Filter Content. You will see three options: None, Moderate, and Strict. Choose the filter setting that best fits your preferences. After selecting, the app will automatically apply your chosen filter to your search results. That's all for today's guide. Adjusting your Qwant filter settings is quick and easy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tips.